Here we go, Nathaniel.
Yep.
Climbing the stairs of Skogafoss Falls. 15 meters wide and 62 meters high. Well, now time to climb all the way up and see it from the viewpoint.
About Skogafoss Falls, there was a treasure of gold placed behind it. Some men eventually could see the iron ring of the chest, so they got a hook around it and tried to pull it from the mountain. Unfortunately, the hook gave way and they were only able to pull the handle from the chest. Well, they ended up using that handle as the door of the church. That handle now sits in a museum as a testament to the legend. Steps.
Woo! But the view was worth it.